Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create an equilateral triangle using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022. This is an example of what you should expect as a result after this training. To start, we're going to open the icon on our desktop. So this screen should pop up, and we're going to create a new drawing. By doing so, all we have to do is simply click on the New tab to create a new drawing. Now, if this format shows up, you're in the wrong spot. Now, to correct this, all you have to do is go down below and click on Model. Before I start any project, I like to make sure that I'm in the correct units. To do so, I type in units, anywhere on the screen, and enter. Now, it looks like I'm already in architectural. You may not be, so go ahead and make sure you are. This will put your length in feet and inches. Click OK. Now, I also like to create a grid when I start these drawings to give me a better image of what I'm looking at. We're going to go ahead and scroll out to get a wider view. All you have to do is scroll back on the back wheel of your mouse. Now, to create a line, we're going to just type in L and then enter. This gives us a line. Now, for any drawing, you want to start at the origin. So to do so, we're going to type in 0, 0, 0, then enter. This obviously puts us at the origin, so we could start drawing a line. We're going to go ahead and snap to the x-axis, and you can choose any number you'd like, but remember you're going to use it 2 more times. For my triangle, I'm going to pick 5 feet because that is an easy number. Now you'll notice that this triangle can go a million different directions again, and there's nothing to snap onto. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a specific length and angle. Make sure your cursor is to the left of that 90-degree mark. This will make sure that the 120 degrees renders in the right spot and not a different direction. So to start, we're going to type in 5 feet for our length. Now don't press enter, go ahead and press tab. Now you'll see that the degrees is highlighted. Type in 120 and enter. Now, this next step, we have a couple different options. We could go ahead and type in the length and the degree again, or we can simply just click back onto the origin. Now you'll notice that you have this extra line that can go a million different places again. To escape this, we simply press escape. Now, just like that, you have an equilateral equilibrium triangle. All the degrees are 60, all the lengths are 5 feet. So as a bonus to this isosceles equilateral triangle that we have just created, I'm going to be showing you guys how to round the edges. To do so, we're going to start by typing in on the command fillet. Again, you type this in anywhere on the screen and it should work. F-I-L-L-E-T, enter. So now if you look right here, we can either undo, polyline, radius, trim, or multiple. In our case, we're going to create a radius, so we're going to type in R, enter. Now we are going to pick the radius in inches or feet, in this case inches, that we want the edges to be rounded. I'm going to pick 3 because it's significant enough to be noticeable. Type in 3, enter. Now all I have to do is simply click on one side of the triangle and then one that's connecting the two, just like that. To repeat this action, we simply just need to press space and one more time, just like that. Now you have a curved edge triangle, still equilateral, still an isosceles, still 60 degrees.